Hey, what's going on, everybody? February 12th, 2025. It's just checking out the markets here. Coin market cap looks like Bitcoin's hanging in around 97, just over 97,000. It's always neat to come through and just scroll down and look and see how the market's performing. But today I wanted to talk about XRP. So XRP, of course, you can see it's still sitting at number 4 overall market cap. And it's $2.48, hanging in there pretty good. Consider all the volatility, the market's been down. But I wanted to talk about Ripple, the company Ripple, and they're dealing with XRP. Of course, they developed the XRP token to run on the XRPL blockchain, or the XRP ledger. So it started out as, I think it was Newcoin, and then it changed over to OpenCoin, and then finally became XRP. So I wanted to visit that, but first, check it out. I got my XRP shirt on here. Still dressing up. I think it's a Generation Gen X thing. When I was a kid, we had those underoos. So that tells you how old I am. We're going back to the 70s now. So you could get your underoos, just the underwear packs. I'm sure some of you remember them. A lot of you, the younger people, have no clue. You have to leave me a link or a comment down in the comments section of what you guys had. But you could get Superman, Spider-Man, whatever your favorite superhero was. Get the shirt, the underwear, and then, if you're really lucky and you had the right color towel, you could pick it out of the linen closet and have your mom or your aunt or whoever put that around your neck and put the old safety pin there, and we were flying. The kids were flying through the air, running through the house like a bunch of heathens. So I haven't grew out of it. Still wearing the my superhero shirts today. Things have changed. Now I'm looking at like XRP, Bitcoin, these cryptos. These are our new superheroes, right? New technology. Hopefully they'll save us from our current inflation and monetary system. So I was looking on there, but yeah, I want to go and look at XRP a little more in depth, or some of the software that Ripple's developed, like I said, to work on the XRP ledger. So I found a good website here, and I'm looking over here at my other screen. But I wanted to bring this up. Let's see, where's this at? Here we go. We got a guide to Ripple product suite. This is on, what is this? This is coinribbit.com, and they just got a guide to the Ripple product suite. So here they're talking about some of the software that Ripple came up with and developed, and it is Xcurrent, Xrapid, and the XVIA. Okay, so Ripple's able to offer its customers truly unique crypto banking experience. This is really good information. So as we scroll down through here, we can see what Ripple's brewing up here. They got a video, we're not going to play that, but it's good if you want to visit this site, check it out. It gives a good overview. So the current Ripple business model is develop and sell software built on top of XRP, the Ripple cryptocurrency. And it goes down through, it's got a nice little flowchart diagram here of the Bank A, right, and Bank B. How do they communicate with each other on the XRPR or XRP ledger? So you've got the Xcurrent software, and it comes down and you got a messaging system between Bank A and Bank B. They can communicate with each other. So very important that they can do the communication. And then we're going on down through the ledger. And once they've agreed, they can process whatever they're trying to facilitate between the two. Okay, so this is going to get validated on the XRPL, and then here's the ticker for your real-time settlement. Okay, so we got a little overview explanation. You see the block diagram, and then it's telling us that Xcurrent is an interbank communications and settlement software built around the Interledger Protocol, ILP. The ILP is an open protocol that enables interoperation between different ledgers and payment networks. Xcurrent is Ripple's enterprise software solution, and it enables banks to instantly settle cross-border payments with end-to-end tracking. Using Xcurrent, banks message each other in real time to confirm the payment details prior to initiating the transaction and to confirm delivery. It includes a rulebook developed in partnership with the RippleNet committee that ensures operational consistency and legal clarity for every transaction. The solution offers a cryptographically secure end-to-end payment flow transaction immutability and information redundancy. It's designed to comply with each bank's risk, privacy, and compliance requirements. So because the software is built to fit within the bank's existing infrastructure, it minimizes integration overhead and business disruption. So the transaction immutability, that's very important. Let's get right here, this little phrase. So basically what that's saying is that no person or company can change that history once it's recorded on the blockchain ledger. It's done. That is the whole point of being immutable. So good stuff there. And then it tells you that Xcurrent is comprised of two primary layers. The first layer, communication protocol, that it's used to perform tasks like validating payment information and transferring the funds. The settlement layer ensures the funds are committed on both sides, remember Bank A, Bank B, and then simultaneously releases the committed funds to each side, right? So you don't have to have trust. You don't need a third party here. By leveraging distributed ledger technology, Xcurrent increases the efficiency of interbank communication by allowing banks to settle transactions, especially multi-currency transactions, faster with transparency and integrity. Xcurrent is currently Ripple's most popular product among its clients. And then we move on down here to Xrapid. And Xrapid is used to source liquidity, and it's going to make sense once we go over this. So Xrapid is a software solution to provide liquidity, which allows companies to swap in and out of XRP to optimize exchange rate efficiency. In simple terms, XRP can be used in Xcurrent as a bridge currency to settle transactions. Without a bridge asset, the spreads can be quite high between infrequently traded currencies, which can result in expensive trades. Xrapid is for payment providers and other financial institutions who want to minimize liquidity costs while improving customer experience. Because the payments into emerging markets often require pre-funded local currency accounts around the world, liquidity costs are high. Xrapid dramatically lowers the capital requirements for liquidity. Xrapid uniquely uses a digital asset, which we know as XRP, to offer on-demand liquidity, which dramatically lowers cost while enabling real-time payments in emerging markets. Built for the enterprise use, XRP offers banks and payment providers highly efficient, scalable, reliable liquidity option to service cross-border payments. So there you are. So we've been through the X currency and how it flows through the work, the communication, and how it's immutable. You got Xrapid that frees up the liquidity. They don't need money on both sides of the banking system. Bank A can send it, convert it over to XRP. XRP can convert right into the receiving bank's currency. So really convenient. If it just starts to all come together, why this software is so exciting, and you see people like Brad Garlinghouse and how happy he is. We know why. They've been working on this project a long time, and it makes sense. It's faster, cheaper, and they can trust. It's just a trusted system without the third party. So, and then the last section here, XVIA, used to send the payments. So this product is the last stage in Ripple's product ecosystem. XVIA is the standardized payment interface into RippleNet, the network of financial institutions using Xcurrent or Xrapid to settle payments, designed for corporations, payment providers, and banks who want to send payments across various networks using standard interface. XVIA's simple API requires no software installation, enables users to seamlessly send payments globally with transparency into the payment status. XVIA has 3 major selling points. 1, the payment tracking, on demand with tracking and delivery confirmation, even in non-traditional networks like wallets. And then 2, it has capital efficiency, free up capital sitting idle in foreign currency transaction accounts with on-demand and real-time global payments. And then lastly, number 3, rich data transfer. This significantly improved the reconciliation process through rich data, including invoices attached to payments. Okay, so by combining all 3 of these things we talked about, so by combining all 3 of these, we had Xcurrent, we got Xrapid, and lastly the XVIA. So it's just saying you combine all 3 of these, Ripple's able to offer its customers a truly unique crypto banking experience, tackling major issues currently criticized in the traditional banking system, which is high transaction cost and high resource inefficiencies. So that's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to share with you guys today. And if you have any more information, you can educate me. Please leave a comment. I'd love to learn, what I don't know. I enjoy reading and learning everything I can, and everything is welcome in the comments section. So you guys take care. I'll be back again if I learn something new. And if already know all this stuff, that's great. But I'm learning, I'm excited about it, and I want to share for those who have not read through this or learned or just getting started and they want to pick up some XRP. So you guys take care. Till next time, peace out.